So welcome back to the groundbreaker stage at Oracle Open World in London. I'm Yolande Poirier from the Developer Network, and my guest is Simon. Simon, hi.
Hi.
So Simon, well, tell us first of all what you do for Oracle.
Yeah, so I'm the Director of Product Management for Linux and Virtualization at Oracle, and I'm responsible mostly for the virtualization area, so that covers Oracle VM and VirtualBox.
So you had a talk today about VirtualBox, right?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Can you tell us what's new? Or
Yeah, so just last year in December, we announced the latest and greatest VirtualBox 6.0 major release. And into the same we added a huge list of enhancements and new features, and at the same time many bug fixes compared to the past releases of VirtualBox. I think that maybe the most interesting features that could be really important, mostly for developers, are related to the first step that we did for the cloud integration. Just because by using VirtualBox 6, you can create your development environment. You can work on your own application. You can develop it. You can prepare it for the production system. Once ready, until the past 5 release of VirtualBox, you have the option to export your VM into the OVA format, so the Open Virtualization format, and that's all. Starting from VirtualBox 6, we introduced a new option, the export to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So by leveraging the VirtualBox GUI, and with maybe 3 or 4 clicks, you can get the VM running on VBox, the same VM running on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. And everything can be managed by the GUI. So you do not have to be a system administrator to get the VM running on OCI. So it's really cool. Just by 3 or 4 clicks, you can decide to get the VM running on Oracle Cloud. You can decide the configuration that your VM will have on the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. And it's a feature that we introduced into 6.0, and it's also our intention to extend the capabilities and functionalities around the export to OCI. And this is only one of the features that we addressed into VirtualBox 6. Other that could be very interesting for developers are related to the platform support. We introduced the latest and greatest, for example, Linux kernel releases support, latest Microsoft Windows releases, latest community distribution for Linux, and all of those are supported as the host operating system for VBox, as well as the guest operating system, so running on top of VirtualBox. Another cool feature that we addressed into VBox 6 is related to the nested hypervisor. So if you want to run for demo purposes or for test purposes another hypervisor on top of VirtualBox, you can do it today by using VirtualBox 6.0.
So VirtualBox used to be free. Is that still the case?
Yeah, absolutely, yes. VirtualBox is built on 2 different components. We have the base package and the extension pack. The base package is covered by GPL version 2, so it's totally free. Everyone can use it for free. Everyone can redistribute. Everyone can do whatever wants on top of the base package. The extension pack is a binary, so it's not open source, but again, the extension pack can be used for free if you're going to use it for personal use. Otherwise, you have the license that can be associated to the extension pack for a commercial use of the same. But the important thing is that all the main features related to VirtualBox are part of the base package, so are totally available for free.
Okay. And so if people want to know more about VirtualBox, where do they find more information?
Obviously on virtualbox.org website. Over there you can find everything related to VirtualBox, links also to our community, to our forum, where you can maybe discuss with other community guys or developers that today are working on VBox. And at the same time, this year, and for VirtualBox 6.0, it's the first time that we created a documentation, an official Oracle documentation dedicated to VirtualBox. That said, I think that another interesting point for developers is related to another kind of job that we are doing on VBox. on GitHub, we have a dedicated repository with vagrant boxes dedicated to Oracle products. So if, for example, you want to run an Oracle database, if you want to run Docker, if you want to run Kubernetes, LAMP, so Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, whatever, over there you can find ready-to-run boxes for VirtualBox, where by executing a single command, you can get the entire solution up and running. So you can get an Oracle database 18c, for example, up and running, or the LAMP architecture up and running by executing only one command.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well,
thank
anything
you.
else you want to share?
Yeah, I think that the best choice is to keep aware of what we are doing on VBox. So please visit our website. Over there you can see every new feature, every enhancement that we are going to address into VirtualBox 6.0, because 6.0 for us is not the end, it's at the beginning of many new features that we are going to address into the same.
Excellent. So, well, that's good. That's very good news. It's going
Yeah.
to be supported.
Yeah.
And thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
for
you too.
stopping.
Thank you too.